in a rainy day with a lot of wind, somehow my roof is been so old and it's leaking all over the place. I call up the HOA and ask them for recommendation for any roof that they know that for me to call, and they gave me three companies. But somehow I picked you guys first, and I'm glad I did. And then I call you right in the evening or late evening, and you guys pick up the phone. And it's almost 5 o'clock. You guys pick up the phone, a very polite lady, and she said, "Yes, I'm gonna have someone call you and contact you right away." And somehow she had an appointment right in the next day in the morning, and I was so happy because I don't want to live with the leak on my roof in my house. So they sent me Ron. He came over very on time. He showed me all the videos. In honesty, I never see anything like that. I thought that usually you get a guy come over and do the estimate, but no, he just showed me the facts of the everything happened to my roof. And then it come down to the price, and the price looked very reasonable, and I agreed to have it done, have you guys do the job. But they did a good job. They finished everything from 8 to 5:30. They finished up, clean up everything, and left the place like nothing ever happened. I would very highly recommended this company, Guardian Roof. People that serve you will make you very happy and pleased with the job.